I cleaned my ceiling lights in my new studio, and the result is so satisfying and refreshing. I didn't expect it could look like new again. I changed those yellow light bulbs and added the missing ones with the new white bright ones, simply because I love the white ones, and I was so proud of myself finding these energy saving light bulbs, knowing that I will pay less for the electricity. I don't know why most of apartments and houses here using yellow lights, about less than 3000 Kelvin. Some of them even use almost no light at all. I respect their ideas about energy saving, but I find that living consistently in a dark place is somehow quite depressing, isn't it? You know, when you're stuck in a dark tunnel, then you finally see a bright light at the end of the tunnel. I feel my life has such a bright hope after changing those light bulbs. I live in France, by the way, and I've just quitted Paris after living there for around 7 years. Next thing I want to say is that I'm officially an Amazon associate. Yay! Promise that I won't throw you a bunch of random links. I just share the things that I found very useful and makes me so happy using them, or other things that I wish to have. So let's say that I just curate them all for us, and hopefully it's related for you, so that you don't need to spend hours to find nice and affordable things for your home, for your self-pampering, and for improving your business productivity. In this video, I really recommend this elegant and robust stepladder. I wanted to buy the one with the handle, but it was out of stock, so I bought this one and I'm still super happy with it. I never thought that I was motivated to join the Amazon Associate program thanks to this cool fancy stepladder. Here is how it works. If you buy from my website, you can click Amazon Treasure Hunt link in bio. The price is the same as you buy directly from Amazon. I will just get a small commissions from it. So I really appreciate for your support and thank you. Oh, by the way, my Amazon treasures are currently available only in France and hopefully will expand to other countries very soon. I hope this video motivates you to clean your ceiling lights. Happy Monday and follow me for more. Bye!